William Shakespeare was born in Stratford-upon-Avon, England in April 1564. The exact date of his birth is not recorded, but it is most often celebrated around the world on 23rd April. Shakespeare's baptism is recorded in the parish register at Holy Trinity Church, Stratford-upon-Avon on Wednesday 26th April 1564. Shakespeare produced most of his known works between 1589 and 1613. His early plays were primarily comedies and histories and are regarded as some of the best works produced in these genres. He then wrote mainly tragedies until 1608, among them Hamlet, Othello, King Lear and Macbeth, all considered to be among the finest works in English. In the last phase of his life, he wrote tragicomedies, also known as romances, such as The Winter's Tale and The Tempest, and collaborated with other playwrights. Many of Shakespeare's plays were published in editions of varying quality and accuracy during his lifetime. However, in 1623, John Heminges and Henry Condell, two fellow actors and friends of Shakespeare's, published a more definitive text known as the First Folio, a posthumous collected edition of Shakespeare's dramatic works that includes 36 of his plays. Its preface was a prescient poem by Ben Jonson, a former rival of Shakespeare, who hailed Shakespeare with the now famous epithet, not of an age, but for all time. On 25th March 1616, Shakespeare revised and signed his will. On 23rd April, his presumed birthday, he died, aged 52.
আমার এই চ্যানেলটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।